Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel SG Education. Today we will see class 8 subject science chapter 3 force and pressure exercise solutions. Question 1, write proper word in the blank space. Question A, the SI unit of force is the Dyne, Newton, Joule. Answer, the SI unit of force is the Newton. Question B. The air pressure on our body is equal to the fill in the blank pressure. Atmospheric, sea bottom, space. Answer. The air pressure on our body is equal to the atmospheric pressure. Question C. For a given object, the buoyant force in liquids of different fill in the blank is fill in the blank. The same density, different area. Answer. For a given object, the buoyant force in liquids of different density is the same. Question D. The SI unit of pressure is Newton per meter cube, Newton per meter square, kilogram per meter square, PA per meter square. Answer. The SI unit of pressure is Newton per meter square. Now, question 2, make a match. Question A, Group A, Group B are given. So, Group A, 1 fluid, 2 blunt knife, 3 sharp needle, 4 relative density, 5 hectopascal. Group B, A, higher pressure, B, atmospheric pressure, C, specific gravity, D, lower pressure, E, same pressure in all directions. Answer. 1 fluid, same pressure in all directions. 2 blunt knife, lower pressure. 3 sharp needle, higher pressure. 4 relative density, specific gravity. 5 hectopascal, atmospheric pressure. Now, question 3. Answer the following questions in brief. Question A. A plastic cube is released in water. Will it sink or come to the surface of water? Answer. It will come to the surface of water. This is because its density is less than that of water. When it floats, the unbalanced force acting on it is zero. Now, question B. Why do the load carrying heavy vehicles have large number of fields? Answer. The pressure produced by a given force depends on the area of the surface on which the force acts. The greater the surface area, the less is the pressure produced. Load carrying heavy vehicles have large number of fields so that the load is disturbed is distributed over large surface area of the wheels in contact with the road. Hence, the pressure decreases and the tires do not burst. Now, question C. How much pressure do we carry on our heads? Why don't we feel it? Answer. The air pressure at the sea level is about 101 into 10 to the power 3 Pascal. This is the pressure that we carry on our heads. The cavities in our body are filled with air, and arteries and veins are filled with blood. Their pressure balances the pressure due to the atmosphere. Hence, we don't feel the atmospheric pressure. Now, question 4. Why does it happen? Question A. A ship dips to a larger depth in fresh water as compared to marine water. Answer. The buoyant force acting on a body is proportional to the density of the fluid in which the body is immersed. The density of fresh water is less than that of the marine water. Hence, the buoyant force on a body in fresh water is less than that in marine water. Therefore, a ship dips to a larger depth in fresh water as compared to marine water. Now, question B, why does it happen? Fruits can easily be cut with a sharp knife. Answer, it is easy to cut vegetables, fruits with a sharp knife. A blunt knife does not work here. The force exerted perpendicularly on a unit area is called pressure. Pressure is equal to force upon area on which the force is applied. Presently, we are considering only the force acting on an area in a direction perpendicular to it. Now, question C, why does it happen? The wall of a dam is broad at its base. Answer, the pressure at a point in a liquid is proportional to the height of the liquid column above it. Hence, the pressure of water in a dam is much greater at the bottom of the dam than at the top. To withstand this high pressure, the wall of a dam is made stronger and thicker at the base than at the top. Now, question D. If a stationary bus suddenly speeds up, passengers are thrown in the backward direction. Answer, when passengers sit or stand in a stationary bus, they are in a state of rest. When the bus suddenly speeds up, the lower parts of their body in contact with the bus acquire the speed of the bus. The upper parts of their body, however, continue to be in the state of rest due to inertia. Hence, they are thrown in the backward direction. Now, question 5. Complete the following tables. Question A. Here table is given in which mass, volume and densities are given. In first we have to find the density and in second row we have to find the mass. So mass is given 350, volume 175 and we have to find the density. So we know that density is equal to mass divided by volume. So we will put these values in this formula and find the density. So is equal to 350 divided by 175. So after dividing we will get 2 kilogram per meter cube. Now in second row we have to find the mass. So volume is 190 and density is 4. So mass is equal to density multiplied by volume. So it's equal to 190 multiplied by 4 is equal to 760 kilogram. So we get mass 760 kg. Now question B. Here we have given table of densities of metal, water and relative density. So in first row we have to find the density of metal. Here we have given density of water and relative density. So we will find this by using the formula relative density is equal to density of a metal divided by density of water. So first we will find density of metal. So density of metal is equal to relative density multiplied by density of water. So it's equal to 10 to the power 3 multiplied by 5 is equal to 5 into 10 to the power 3. Now in second row we have to find the relative density. Here density of metal and density of water is given. We have to find the relative density. So is equal to 8.5 multiplied by 10 to the power 3 divided by 10 to the power 3. So 10 to the power 3, 10 to the power 3 get cancelled. We get is equal to 8.5. So relative density is equal to 8.5. Now third table, question C. Here weight, area and pressure table is given. In first row we have to find the weight where area and pressure are given. So we will find this using the formula pressure is equal to weight divided by area. So in this we have to find the weight. So weight is equal to pressure into area. So we multiply. So 0.04 multiplied by 20,000 is equal to 800. So we get weight N is equal to 800. Now second row, in this we have to find the pressure. So pressure is equal to weight divided by area. So weight is given 1500 and area is 500. So 1500 divided by 500 is equal to 3. So we get pressure is equal to 3. Now question 6. The density of a metal is 10.8 multiplied by 10 to the power 3 kilogram per meter cube. Find the relative density of the metal. Solution. We have given density of metal is equal to 10.8 multiplied by 10 to the power 3 kilogram per meter cube, and density of water is equal to 10 to the power 3 kilogram per meter cube. Now we have to find the relative density of the metal. So we will found this using the formula relative density of a substance is equal to density of the substance divided by density of water. So density of metal is equal to 10.8 multiplied by 10 to the power 3 kilogram per meter cube divided by density of water, that is 10 to the power 3 kilogram per meter cube. So is equal to 10.8. So here 10 to the power 3, 10 to the power 3 get cancelled, and these units also get cancelled. So is equal to 10.8. So the relative density of the metal is equal to 10.8. Now question 7. The volume of an object is 20 centimeter cube and the mass is 50 gram. The density of water is 1 gram to the power minus 3. Will the object float on water or sink in water? Solution. Density is equal to mass divided by volume. So here mass is 50 gram and volume is 20 centimeter cube. So density is equal to 50 gram divided by 20 centimeter cube. So after dividing we will get 2.5 gram per centimeter cube. It is greater than the density of water. Hence the object will sink in water. Now question 8. The volume of a plastic covered sealed box is 350 centimeter cube and the box has a mass 500 gram. Will the box float on water or sink in water? What will be the mass of water displaced by the box? Solution. Firstly, we will find the density. So density is equal to mass divided by volume. So here volume is 350 centimeter cube and mass is equal to 500 gram. So density is equal to 500 gram divided by 350 centimeter cube. So after dividing we get is equal to 10 upon 7 gram per centimeter cube. It is greater than that of water. Hence the box will sink in water. The volume of water displaced by the box is equal to volume of the box is equal to 350 centimeter cube. Now density is equal to mass divided by volume. So the mass of water displaced by the box is equal to 1 gram centimeter to the power minus 3 multiplied by 350 centimeter cube is equal to 350 gram. Our class 8 subject science chapter 3 solutions are completed. If you like this video and want to see such more videos, then please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel SG Education. Thank you.